So if you are starting with 0 followers, 0 experience, and $0 to your name, well, this explainer is absolutely for you. Today, I'm going to show you the exact ways beginners are making their first $100 with Instagram in 2026.
And notice our target here, exactly $100. We're skipping the fake screenshots, and we are definitely skipping that become rich overnight nonsense. We're just focusing on realistic methods that actually work today. Getting to that first 100 is always the hardest part, but once you do, you've got a foundation. So let's get started.
Here's our roadmap for today. We'll cover the 0 to 100 reality, picking your single niche, the daily reel strategy, 3 paths to monetization, a realistic timeline, and finally, hitting that first $100 milestone.
Okay, Section 1, the 0 to 100 reality. Let's set the stage.
Look, the absolute biggest mistake beginners make is thinking Instagram itself is going to pay them. The reality? Instagram usually doesn't pay most small creators directly. Instead, you have to treat the platform as a massive customer-finding machine. It's a traffic source. Your goal isn't just hoarding followers. Your real goal is getting people interested in something valuable.
Moving on to Section 2, pick your single niche. This is where focus becomes crucial.
Before you post anything, you have to choose just one niche. You could go with AI tools, fitness, personal finance, online earning, motivation, digital products, graphic design, or even crochet and DIY. But here's the golden rule. Don't post random content. If your account talks about AI today, football tomorrow, and then random memes next week, no one is going to follow you. Choose one topic and stay incredibly consistent.
All right, Section 3, the daily reel strategy. It's time to feed the algorithm.
Instagram is heavily pushing Reels right now, so you need to build a content machine. You want to aim for creating 2 to 3 Reels daily, keeping them pretty short, anywhere between 15 to 45 seconds long. And the real secret, you've got to post consistently for at least 30 days to really gain traction. But to make those Reels work, you need a killer hook in those first 3 seconds. Let's look at a quick comparison. A bad hook sounds like, today I'm going to show you an AI tool. It's just flat, right? But a winning hook? This AI tool saved me 5 hours of work every week. See the difference? That second version instantly creates curiosity. It gives the viewer a reason to actually care.
Section 4, 3 paths to monetization. This is how we actually get paid.
Let's demystify the math here, because it's actually super simple. Path 1 is affiliate marketing, one of the absolute fastest ways to make your first 100. Join programs for web hosting, VPNs, or AI software. You usually only need about 5 to 10 sales to hit your goal. Path 2 is digital products, which can be even faster. Create something once, like Canva templates or an ebook, and sell it for, say, $10. You only need 10 sales. And Path 3, services. Offer graphic design or video editing. You literally just need one client paying you $100 and boom, you've hit your goal.
Now, mechanically, how does this work? You have to tell people what to do. Place your affiliate link or a clear call to action like DM me for services directly in your Instagram bio. You are directing all of that amazing traffic from your Reels straight to your profile to close the sale.
Section 5, the realistic timeline. Let's set some proper expectations.
Let's be totally realistic here. Most people won't make $100 in 1 week, and that's fine. Day 1 is literally just picking your niche. Days 1 through 30, you're just learning basic content creation and posting daily. It's usually between days 30 and 60 that you start actively promoting affiliate offers or services, which means day 60 to 90 is your realistic window to hit that goal. Honestly, the people who fail are usually just the ones who quit too early.
Finally, Section 6, the first $100 milestone. Let's recap the blueprint.
If I were starting from absolute 0 today, here is exactly what I would do. I'd pick one niche. I'd post 3 Reels every single day. I'd join affiliate programs, create one simple digital product, and offer one service. That's it. Notice what we didn't mention? No expensive courses, no paid ads, no fake guru tricks. I really want you to take this to heart. Your first $100 online is not about becoming rich. It's about proving to yourself that making money online is actually possible. Once you break that 0 barrier and make that first 100, trust me, the next 1,000 becomes so much easier.
So, I'll leave you with this question to think about. Now that you have the blueprint, what will your one niche be? Pick it and get to work. If you found this explainer helpful, make sure to subscribe, because in our next explainer, I'll be showing you how to earn your first $100 with YouTube. See you then.